What if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for your health is sitting quietly in your kitchen cupboard right now? Cheap, easy to use, and shockingly underappreciated. Over 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea it holds life-changing potential far beyond baking and cleaning. That's right, millions are missing out on the true power of this simple white powder that costs just pennies per use. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has quietly earned the title of the most underrated remedy in the world among leading health experts like Dr. Michael Harris. It's been in your home for years, maybe to freshen your fridge or fluff up your pancakes, but very few realize it might actually be the key to supporting your body's natural detox, oral health, and more. So why aren't we talking about this? Why has such a widely available and inexpensive compound been overlooked for its potential to protect and even restore health? In this video, we're revealing the most surprising health benefits of baking soda, benefits that could redefine how you take care of your body. We'll also cover crucial safety tips and who should avoid using it altogether. So if staying strong, energized, and informed matters to you, don't go anywhere. Now, let's explore one of baking soda's most intriguing abilities, its role in detoxification. When mixed with water, baking soda becomes alkaline, helping neutralize excess acidity inside and outside the body. It's no wonder baking soda baths have become a popular natural remedy. People swear by their ability to soothe itchy skin, calm rashes, and help draw out toxins, leaving your skin refreshed and your body rebalanced. Internally, some wellness enthusiasts claim that drinking a diluted baking soda solution can support the body's natural detox pathways, particularly in people with acidic imbalances, and science offers some support. A study published by the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. Still, it's important to remember, your body already works hard to maintain its pH balance, and using baking soda carelessly can do more harm than good. Used responsibly, however, it can be a gentle, affordable way to support your body's internal detox systems. Next, let's talk about a benefit you've probably experienced without realizing it: brighter teeth and better dental health. Baking soda is a hero ingredient in many toothpastes for good reason. It acts as a mild abrasive, scrubbing away surface stains from coffee, tea, and wine while leaving your teeth feeling polished and smooth. Unlike harsh chemical whiteners, baking soda gently lifts stains without damaging the enamel when used correctly. But the benefits don't stop at a whiter smile. Baking soda's alkalinity helps neutralize acids in the mouth, making it harder for harmful bacteria to thrive. This means fresher breath, healthier gums, and fewer cavities. Clinical studies back this up. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry shows that toothpastes containing baking soda significantly outperform those without it in whitening and plaque removal. Another study confirmed its ability to reduce harmful oral bacteria. Still, a word of caution: use it no more than a few times a week, and always with a soft bristled toothbrush. Too much abrasion can erode enamel over time. Used wisely, baking soda can be one of the simplest and most cost-effective tools for a cleaner, healthier smile. And that's just the beginning. Relief for heartburn. Ever felt that burning sensation after a heavy, spicy meal? That discomfort creeping up your chest, often called heartburn, is caused by acid reflux, when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus. It's common, it's frustrating, and for many, it becomes a frequent part of daily life, especially during pregnancy, weight gain, or certain medical conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis or achalasia. While drugstore antacids are widely available, there's a quicker, more natural remedy that might already be in your kitchen. One of the most effective home solutions? A simple mixture of baking soda and water. Just dissolve 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water, sip slowly, and let the relief begin. Why does it work? Baking soda is alkaline. It neutralizes excess stomach acid, easing that painful burning sensation within minutes. In fact, sodium bicarbonate is recognized by the medical community as a fast-acting antacid. A review in gastroenterology and hepatology confirmed its effectiveness for rapid heartburn relief, especially when symptoms are occasional. There's no need for expensive treatments or a last-minute pharmacy run. With just a teaspoon of baking soda, a glass of water, and a few minutes of your time, you can calm your digestive system and get back to your day, feeling lighter, more comfortable, and in control. Antifungal properties. Now let's look at another surprising benefit: baking soda's antifungal power. Fungal infections are more common than you might think, showing up as red, itchy, flaky skin in places like your feet, groin, or under skin folds. Conditions like athlete's foot or ringworm thrive in warm, damp environments and can be stubborn to treat. While many turn to over-the-counter sprays and creams, baking soda offers a gentle, chemical-free alternative that may already be in your pantry. Its antifungal strength comes from its ability to shift the skin's pH, creating an alkaline environment that fungi struggle to survive in. It weakens the structure of fungal cells, making it harder for them to multiply and spread. This isn't just folk wisdom. A study published in Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution inhibited the growth of 80% of fungal strains tested at a concentration of just 10 grams per liter. That's a powerful result for such a simple remedy. To use it at home, you can mix baking soda with a little water to form a paste and apply it directly to affected areas, or add it to a warm foot soak for full coverage. Within a few sessions, many people notice reduced itching, redness, and discomfort. Because it's non-toxic, soothing, and inexpensive, baking soda is a smart choice for those seeking a natural alternative to harsh topical treatments. It's a small step that can help you reclaim comfort and confidence, one application at a time. Urinary tract infection (UTI) support. Let's talk about something many people, especially women, know all too well: the discomfort of a urinary tract infection. That burning sensation when you urinate, the constant urge to go, the aching discomfort. It can disrupt your day and drain your energy. While antibiotics are the standard treatment, some people look for natural ways to ease the symptoms and support healing alongside medical care. One of those natural options? Baking soda. Thanks to its alkalizing effects, baking soda may help reduce the acidity of urine, creating a less favorable environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. By slightly raising the pH of your urine, it may help ease the burning sensation and support your body's efforts to fight off infection. In fact, a study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology followed 33 women with recurring UTIs. After just 4 weeks of using sodium bicarbonate, many reported noticeable relief, less pain, fewer symptoms, and improved urinary comfort. That said, baking soda is not a substitute for medical treatment, especially in more serious or persistent cases. But for those seeking extra relief, it may be a gentle, low-cost addition to your UTI care toolkit. Always speak with your doctor first if symptoms persist or worsen. Treating canker sores. If you've ever had a canker sore, you know how painful and frustrating those tiny mouth ulcers can be. They make eating, drinking, and even talking uncomfortable. Fortunately, a simple home remedy may offer relief, and it's probably already in your pantry. Baking soda's mild alkalinity can help balance the pH inside your mouth, creating an environment that reduces irritation and promotes faster healing. Canker sores often thrive in acidic conditions, and by neutralizing that acidity, baking soda helps ease pain and reduce inflammation. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate mouth rinses significantly reduced pain and accelerated healing in patients with recurrent canker sores. The researchers also highlighted its mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which help clean the sore and inhibit bacterial growth, 2 essential factors for recovery. To try it yourself, simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and use it as a mouth rinse a few times a day. It's a gentle, proven way to calm irritation and support oral health. Improve exercise performance. Here's a fitness hack you may not expect from a common kitchen ingredient. Baking soda can actually boost your workout performance. How? It all comes down to lactic acid. During high-intensity exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which lowers the pH inside your muscles and leads to that burning, fatigue-inducing sensation. This drop in pH can limit how long and how hard you can push. Sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, acts as a natural buffer, helping to neutralize that acid and delay the onset of muscle fatigue. And this isn't just gym folklore, it's backed by science. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation significantly improved performance in short-duration, high-intensity workouts like cycling, sprinting, and swimming. Athletes who took baking soda were able to perform at their peak for longer with reduced fatigue. The usual method? About 60 to 90 minutes before a workout, athletes dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in water. But a word of caution: start small. Too much can cause side effects like bloating or nausea. If you're considering trying it, especially if you have any health conditions, talk to your doctor first. Still, for those seeking a science-backed, natural way to go the extra mile in their workouts, baking soda might be the secret weapon hiding in plain sight. Enhances kidney function. Imagine this. Something as simple as baking soda might actually support and protect your kidneys, especially if you're managing chronic kidney disease, CKD. In many CKD patients, a condition known as metabolic acidosis occurs when the kidneys struggle to remove excess acid from the bloodstream. This silent problem can accelerate kidney damage and weaken overall health. But here's where baking soda, yes, the same one you keep in your pantry, comes in. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural antacid. It helps neutralize that excess acid, easing the pressure on your kidneys and potentially slowing the progression of kidney decline. And this isn't just folklore, there's real science behind it. A landmark study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology tracked patients with advanced CKD and metabolic acidosis. The results? Those who took sodium bicarbonate daily experienced a slower rate of kidney deterioration compared to those who didn't. Not only that, they were also less likely to reach end-stage renal failure or require dialysis. The study even noted improvements in blood bicarbonate levels, an important marker for the body's acid-base balance. That said, baking soda isn't a magic bullet, and it's certainly not for everyone. If used improperly, especially by those with heart or kidney issues, it can lead to complications like high blood pressure or fluid retention. Always consult a healthcare professional before adding baking soda to your routine, especially if you have chronic kidney disease. Still, it's astonishing to think a humble kitchen staple could have such a meaningful impact on kidney health when used wisely and under supervision. Arthritis pain relief. Now, picture this: using baking soda, yes, the same one sitting next to your flour and sugar, to ease arthritis pain. Rheumatoid arthritis is no small struggle. It brings relentless inflammation, aching joints, stiffness, and fatigue that can make even basic daily tasks feel overwhelming. While medication and physical therapy remain cornerstones of treatment, research now suggests that baking soda might offer additional relief, naturally and affordably. In a groundbreaking 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology, researchers found that drinking a simple solution of baking soda mixed with water could help retrain the immune system. How? Sodium bicarbonate appeared to calm the body's inflammatory response and shift immune activity from a pro-inflammatory state to an anti-inflammatory one. In both humans and animal models, inflammation markers dropped, and immune cells moved toward a more balanced, less reactive state. This is big news for anyone living with arthritis. It suggests that baking soda may not just mask symptoms. It may actually help reduce the chronic inflammation at the root of joint pain and swelling. Of course, more research is still needed to confirm long-term effects, and no one should replace prescribed medication without medical guidance. But as a gentle daily supplement under a doctor's supervision, baking soda may offer an easy, inexpensive way to support comfort and mobility. Sometimes, the most effective remedies are the ones hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen cupboard. Natural deodorant. Let's wrap up with one of the simplest and most surprising uses for baking soda: a natural deodorant. If you've been searching for a chemical-free way to stay fresh throughout the day, this common kitchen ingredient might be your perfect solution. Unlike many store-bought deodorants packed with synthetic fragrances, parabens, or aluminum, baking soda is completely natural. Its power lies in its ability to absorb excess moisture and neutralize the acids in sweat, the same acids that lead to unpleasant odor. It works by creating a less hospitable environment for the bacteria responsible for body odor, helping you stay fresh even during your busiest or sweatiest moments. And this isn't just an old wives' tale. According to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, Topically applied sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor. Its alkaline properties neutralize acidic compounds, reducing odor without disrupting your skin's natural balance. It's also ideal for those with sensitive skin or anyone looking to ditch harsh chemicals. Simply sprinkle a small amount under your arms, either dry or mixed with a touch of coconut oil for added hydration. Many find it keeps them fresh, dry, and odor-free, even in hot weather or during exercise. While skin types can vary, and it's wise to test a small area first, baking soda remains a popular, eco-friendly personal care option. If you're ready to leave behind chemical-laden products, this might be the easiest natural swap you ever make. Who should use baking soda with caution? As powerful as baking soda is, it's not for everyone, especially when used frequently or in higher doses. It's important to understand who should proceed with extra caution. If you have kidney disease, be careful. Because of its sodium content, baking soda can be difficult for impaired kidneys to process, potentially leading to fluid retention and other complications. The same goes for individuals with high blood pressure. Excess sodium can raise your blood pressure levels even more, making baking soda unsafe without medical guidance. Those with digestive issues like gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux should also speak with a healthcare provider before using baking soda. It may disrupt your stomach's natural pH balance and worsen existing conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult a doctor. Large amounts of sodium bicarbonate can disturb electrolyte levels, which can affect both the mother and the baby. People with sensitive skin or allergies may experience irritation, especially when using baking soda topically. Always start with a small test patch. And remember, baking soda powder can irritate the lungs if inhaled, so those with respiratory conditions should avoid breathing it in. In short, baking soda is powerful but should be used wisely. Always talk with a healthcare provider before incorporating it into your daily health regimen, especially if you have an underlying condition. Final thoughts. As you've seen, baking soda is far more than a kitchen staple. It's a versatile, affordable, and science-backed remedy that can support your health in remarkable ways, from treating heartburn and easing arthritis pain to improving exercise performance and promoting kidney health. Just remember, moderation and medical guidance are key. Used correctly, baking soda can become a valuable part of your wellness routine. Have you used baking soda for any of these remedies? We'd love to hear your experience. Drop a comment below and share what's worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone who might benefit from this information. Your support helps us grow and bring more natural health insights to seniors around the world. Ready to learn more? We've picked 2 videos just for you. Click now and continue your journey to better health. We'll see you there.